What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WideBody Nation. Demon 170 prices are going down, 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 and I've got lots of examples for you guys. You know, there's some rich people, some rich dealerships that have theirs posted for a bajillion dollars, like 300, 400K, you know, 200, $300,000 markups. But the actual market is speaking, and we're not just talking about buying and selling. The service on Demon 170s is an issue, and by that I mean reliability. You've got Racer X, which you guys already know, and you've got other Demon owners, even one I've met in person here in Kentucky/Tennessee at Beach Bend, that was having problems with his Demon as well. Not as bad as Racer X, from what I understand, but you know, these are great cars, but they're not Lambo money cars, if you know what I'm saying. So make sure you guys jump down in the comments, tear me to shreds if you want, comment and like. If you subscribe, that's fine, but hit those comments. Let me know what you guys think. This Demon 170, pretty good color, you know, triple nickel, no sold a couple days ago because it did not meet reserve here on Cars and Bids. It was bid up to 146, and you know, the stingy seller just didn't want to let it go for that much. So 27 bids later, up to 146, did not meet reserve. So did not sell. And you guys might be saying, oh, well, you know, that's the market speaking, you know. People are putting reserves on them. They're not going to sell them for that low. Well, people weren't willing to bid this one up. And here's the kicker. You know, we can talk reliability. We can talk how many were made. But let's talk something very specific here. From the research I've done, the carbon fiber wheels make a humongous difference, and not just the amount of money they're worth by themselves, whether you're sticker or aftermarket. You know, 10 to 20 grand is what the going rate is for these carbon fiber wheels and tires, but you know, you can get the tires anywhere. The carbon fiber wheels are pricey and they're cool, I'll give you that. Most Demons that I see selling, if they have the carbon fiber wheels, are selling for 20 to 50K more, and they're just more desirable in general. They're moving faster, they're selling quicker, and for more money than those that don't have carbon fiber wheels. Cali Boy Kevin Van Voris, he got his Demon, his all black Demon 170 with the carbon fiber wheels, and the first thing he did was take those off and store them because, you know, I think Demon 170 owners might have paid 10 or 12 grand sticker for them. That's a crazy good deal because you can sell those on the aftermarket for double that. And if you ever put your car back to stock or didn't drive it, they are worth so much because not everybody got those with the 3,000 or so that were made as far as the cars go. So all you guys that are like, oh, the Demon's a super rare car. Yeah, it's rarer than a Toyota Camry. It's a little bit rarer than my Red Eye, but you know, the market's speaking right now. These cars, no one wants to bid on a regular Demon 170. I mean, this is it's an okay, triple nickel. But someone bid up to 146 on this, and the seller probably had a reserve at 160, 170, 180, if not higher, and wouldn't let this go. I mean, yeah, it's a cool car, but we'll see what they do about Racer X's motor being blown, because that thing was an absolute metal blender if you guys watched his video. And I'll link his video below if you guys haven't seen that yet. So we'll bring up some more examples of dealerships and people being clowns. We got the Facebook marketplace right here. You know, you got big homie here in Henderson, Kentucky, 370 for a Demon 170, 375, excuse me. Okay, that's very cool, my guy. You got like 2.5 pictures on here. Not even a picture of the window sticker. You know, rare collector item. Only 2,000 made. That's incorrect. I believe it was 3,000, but hey, I'm just a dude on YouTube who's wearing a Hawaiian shirt. So what do I know? You know? We got big homie over here in Louisville, Kentucky, only selling his Demon for $162,900. Clean title, paid off. Let's see if this has the carbon wheels. Sorry, I'm just going through here like I'm some sort of... Whoa, big flex. Multiple Demons. Do you have the carbon fiber wheels? Probably not. Nope, no carbon wheels. Boom, boom, boom. Brand new, 300 miles. 3 miles, not 300. Wow. No sunroof. Wow. 3,000 cars built. So this guy is at least a little smarter than our last guy who was asking $200,000 more. And he is right. Louisville, 162 sticker, 162. That's only about 30 to 40K more than sticker. No sunroof. Big fan of no sunroof. My head, especially with a helmet, always hits the roof line. So you do have some people that are kind of coming down to earth here, but this is few and far between. I mean, that's in Louisville, Kentucky. Their brains are not melted the way that people on the East and the West Coast are. So you'll see that out here in the Midwest and in the South, stuff like that. People actually have some common sense. No offense, but I said what I said. Let's see, 10 miles on the odometer, 3,000 made. This is 2689. I'm not seeing any carbon fiber wheels on this one either, and they want $225 for this one here in Cullman, Alabama. I don't know who's running around with $225,000 to burn on a non-desirable spec Demon 170, but hey, I'm just a dude wearing a theft deterrent hat on YouTube. So again, what do I know? I don't know. Ooh, 175, Atlanta, Georgia. Fake news? I don't know. See if it has carbon fiber wheels. Big money, big money, big money. Hard to tell. Can we get a zoom? Nope, we're not looking at the old Carbontronic wheels there. Message for details. Okay, yeah, thanks, brother. I'll get right on that. I'll give you a stupid text. All right, one more on Facebook, and then I'll take you guys to some more reputable. Oh, cool picture, dude. Cool video. What the? Nah. Okay. Officially the worst demon I've ever seen in my entire life. Not good wheels there, buddy. Guessing no carbon fiber wheels on this bad Larry. Rohana wheels. Okay. I mean, I would ask them to take 75 grand off just for putting those on the car. All right, one more. I do like the white red interior. Boom. Oh, brother. Now, hey, carbon wheels. 160 miles. I'm going to say it again. Carbon wheels. This car, it's getting closer to the right territory. If you could get this car for 150 or 160 because of these carbon wheels, also white with the red interior, this car should move. I would expect this car to sell. Does have the sunroof. Not ideal. Pretty low number, 547. Carbon fiber package. Good to go. Don't know why they're showing the muffler, but that's cool. I think that one is more accurately priced. All right, let's go to cars.com and see where the clowns are really at. We've got our boys, our main men here at San Leandro, in the land of avocados, California. They are on avocado time. I'm on Central Time. They're on avocado time. $371 for this not desirable spec Demon 170. No carbon fiber wheels. Regular Demon 170. Red interior. Cool. Props to that. Not worth 250 grand over. And, oh, by the way, I'll give you guys 3 seconds to guess how many cars they have at this dealership. And by cars, I mean Demon 170s. They've got 4 other Demon 170s at this dealership. Let me hit you with the bling blow. Boom. Oh, another one for $371 and $46 before taxes, dock fees. Guarantee you they hit you with a nice dock fee out there in avocado almond land. So, let's look at this purple one real quick. Bang, bang, bang. Not impressed. All right, next one. Same dealership. Our brothers at San Leandro, California. $370. Sticker is $120. even less desirable spec, do I sniff some carbon fiber wheels in their 12 pictures they provide? Obviously, it's not going to have carbon fiber wheels if they're not even taking pictures of the wheels. And here, I have one of them here for you with the window sticker. Boom. Gas guzzler tax, got to get that. Nav, interior, Demon Red seatbelts. Wow, that's so impressive. Torque flight transmission that comes with every Demon. 170 Brembo, blah 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 blah. This is a base model Demon. They want to sell for They want to sell it for $250K over sticker. How about no? Current bid. This is a live action auction. We'll refresh it right there just in case. 2 days left on a Destroyer Gray, best color. Change my mind. You're not going to be able to. 131 and some change with 2 days left. This one I do not believe has the carbon fiber wheels. And it is Destroyer Gray. Not a bad color. Let me hit you with some pictures. Do we have more pictures? This one's at Bring a Trailer. Where do I find more pictures on Bring a Trailer? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Wheels, wheels, wheels. All right, boom. Not looking like carbon fiber wheels. Red interior, though. I mean, I would pay 131 or whatever that is for this. I'd say for this car, maybe pay up to 140, 150. I'm guessing the sticker is probably in the 120 to 130 range on this car with the red interior. They gave us a crappy looking sticker on this one. Like, I can't read this. 130. I mean, hey, if you could pay 140 or 150 for this and you were going to drive it, I'd say this is not a bad one to get. I'm a sucker for, if this had no sunroof, I'd like the carbon fiber wheels if I'm being honest. But let's be real, all Demons that actually get driven need beadlocks. They need 15s in the rear. We all know that. I'd say you could pay 5 to 20 over sticker for this one. Obviously taxes are going to be an issue with cars that are this pricey. It's going to be, 5, 10, 20 grand worth of taxes, depending on what state you live in. Here in Tennessee, it's almost 10% taxes because we have no state income tax, but we have very high sales tax because it is kind of a tourist state, especially with Nashville. Memphis is kind of the war zone. East Tennessee's nice. Nashville's pretty nice and growing. And then Memphis is like basically Iraq and Afghanistan combined. So with all that being said, Meekum is over here. They've got another Demon coming up. Purple, probably called Plum Crazy, I want to say. Non-carbon fiber wheels. I will make a video on this car when it sells. 19 miles, not dealer prepped or whatever they want to say to try to juice the pricing up. Estimate 215 to 230. Doubt it. Big doubts. I'd say low end, probably 150. High end, 180. Yeah, that's a no from me, dog. 135 sticker. Power sun. What? How is power sunroof 10 grand on a Demon? Why didn't you just get the carbon fiber wheels? What kind of Demon? What? That's got to be a typo. Power sunroof? What? I never knew that. That is bananas. All right, guys. Well, as you guys have seen, the Demon market is bananas. Money is not free anymore. I told you guys in another video, the Fed is lending money out right now, which the Fed is the keepers of the cash, the US dollar. The Fed funds rate is 5.33%. So that is basically the lowest non-promotional financing anybody is going to get unless they have some serious assets to leverage against for lending. But even then, home equity lines of credit, asset collateral loans, really anything, regular car loans, credit unions, people are having to pay 5, 10, more than 10%, even if you have perfect credit, on some of these cars, because these are technically used cars now. So depending on what bank you go through, you could easily be paying 10% on a Demon like this, and 10% on top of $150,000 or $200,000. That is a big chunk of change monthly and for the life of the loan, where you guys can see where money is just getting tight. It's not flowing. So I'm not surprised that buyers are being stingy with Demons. If you guys are in the market for Demons, go make some insulting offers. Go into the dealership, maybe have a beer before you go in, and just insult the crap out of them with an MSRP or invoice offer. Find out what the invoice is for that Demon and hit them with it. Bring financing in hand. Be like, hey, I'll pay you sticker for that Demon, and I bet you got about a 50% chance in getting it. And best case scenario, even if they tell you to get bent, you're gonna piss them off and you're gonna make them dig their heels in deeper, like this dumb dealership. This is a clown show. Is this even a real dealership? San Leandro in 1444 Marina Boulevard, San Leandro, Avocado Land, zip code 94577. That doesn't sound real to me. $370,000, and they have 4 of these at their dealership. Clowns. Maybe it's 3, maybe it's 4. I see 3 here on cars.com. When I was on their website earlier, I believe they did have 4. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Demon with a B. Okay, they have 3. They have 3. They're all listed, as you guys saw on cars.com, for $200 to $250 over, just to tell you guys to go after yourself. None of them are desirable spec, so if you guys have not protected your Mopar, you already know. Destroyer1320.com. Don't let these roll your car away. They rolled my brand new 2021 Red Eye away back when most people didn't know this was a problem. They pull up on the neutral release lever and they just roll your car away, and then that's where they do the key programming off the X. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys for the next video.